Ready for an explore day?
No.
This is alright. Famous last words.
That was amazing.
What we got? A snake on the road. What's it look like?
Oh, it looks alright. I just don't know if I get up near Robe what the exit's like over there. This is alright. Famous last words. We'll give it a go.
Do it.
Do you want to?
We made it. Let's see how the rest of it goes. Alright, so we just got on the beach at South End. We're driving up to
Beach Pawn. So truck and van on the beach. Going alright so far.
It's like, well, basically like a highway. We hardly ever leave the track.
Nah, yeah, it's going alright actually. You know, got to test this stuff out. Worried about the weight, but down here, like out there, would be a little bit different. I'd have to air down. I haven't even aired down, so I've yeah, just cruising along the beach here happily. But I don't know. Hopefully, hopefully I don't have to go on that soft stuff because that might be a bit different. But anyway,
We'll have to air down before we get on that soft stuff, I reckon.
yeah.
See how we go.
Hilux bobbed up there, but I don't think he's aired down either. There's a couple of locals here, they didn't even air down. They're in just utes, but they're in the soft stuff. So hopefully I can stay down here where the water's sort of washed back out of it. Well, the tide's gone down because yeah, it's like a highway.
You'll definitely see if we do get bopped. Can't miss that.
Got to test these things out, you know. Got to build a bit of confidence up. So
Yeah.
first time I've actually had a van on the beach, like, and drove along it. So anyway,
There we go.
that's it. just heading into Robe, and then apparently the track basically comes out at Long Gully Campground.
Where the campground is, so.
Yeah, see how we go.
Let's go.
Well, we're on the four-wheel drive track from Robe back to our campground. Pretty nice view. Our can is actually going pretty good. It's good to get a bit of confidence in what these can do, I suppose. We're getting used to how much they roll and stuff like that, but I'm sure once you get used to it, it'll be all good. But anyway, so far so fun. We've got Trevor and Amy behind in the patrol. You get some good views. Only had a couple of spots where I thought, oh, I don't know if we'll make it, but so far so good. So righto, so We're halfway along the 4-wheel drive track from Robe back to our campground. Just pulled up, had some lunch right on the beach. So, got the guys doing Oz there. Yeah, just had some sausage sandwiches for lunch. But yeah, nice little spot. No one else is here. That's about halfway along, and we're going to go up sort of just in front of my finger, and it goes back on the track back to the campground and stays along the beach. So we'll see what we can find on the way back. Been a pretty good track so far. The can has surprised us. It's going all right. So anyway, we'll see how we go. So Logan's trying to dig me in here. What are you doing over there? I just noticed it looks like I'm a bit dug in here. What happened?
Are you trying to get dug off?
What happens if I get stuck?
You're getting yourself out. Yeah. Oh,
What did you do to Dad's truck?
We bugged him.
You bogged him? See if we can get out, Legs.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
I don't know what you did. We bugged him pretty good.
Yeah.
Can't even. Step forward.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Bad view.
Very nice view.
Hey, Legs.
Yes.
Bad view out that window of yours. We got a snake on the road. It's a red belly, I think. Does it look like? Looks like it's got a red belly.
Affirmative.
It's dead. Oh no, it's dead.
Is it?
Yeah.
So here, so my dad is trying to do this. Attempt 2 and not 3. Think he got it now. Oh, my bike!
Alright, we've got an explore day today. So we've just checked out the jail ruins at Robe.
Yep.
And we're just doing the coastal walk down to the glass beach. So apparently you can find some sea glass, which I don't think the kids have we haven't come across sea glass in our travels. And there's a few other bits and pieces along the way. You excited?
Yes.
Let's do it.
A little bit.
Tell me what we're doing. Where are we?
I forgot.
We're at some jail ruins, aren't we?
Oh, there's people's names in here. Look how many people's names there is.
Yeah. People have carved their names in here.
You just go down and then that's where they make like all those. Oh, yeah, it just stops right there.
Food, yeah.
Why is it even opening there?
You had a door there.
Got a door, and this is the jail.
All that storeroom. They're the cells,
And
yeah.
then the cells.
So, this is apparently called Glass Beach. So all the, yeah, you can see all the little bits of glass and all that have washed up here and everywhere. So we can find anything. Well, that's all just different bits of glass. Where'd you find those?
Green.
Have a look. Oh,
And
yeah.
it's the red and blue that are the rarest.
Oh, we'll have to search around and see if we can find some rare bits of glass. All different bits of glass. None of it's sharp. It's all. It's funny that, isn't it? Look, there's a nice little bit of green. So we're looking for a bit of red or blue. They're rare. I think I'll leave it to the kids. There we go. Nice bit of red one there for us. What is it?
It's a shell.
Show me. Oh, that's
I found a fish, red fish.
pretty cool.
A red. Oh my
Show Dad.
There would be the most.
How good's that one?
I
Yeah,
can't see it when you. Oh, hang on. Nice big bluey purple
Blue
colour.
one.
Oh, here I got some to keep.
They
Yeah.
look cool. Alright, another beach.
Yeah, this one's a bit busier. But anyway.
Long beach. Let's see how we go. Like
Hard as a rock.
Like a highway.
Well, we just pulled up for lunch. We're on Long Beach. So that's like the heart of Robe straight over there. They've got the fishing show and all that on this weekend. So just up there. But yeah. Nice hard beach this. Really, I stopped and put it in forward drive just to be safe, but you didn't really need to do it. But yeah.
Biggies? I'll make you a drink.
Rightio, it's Sunday afternoon. We're still at Robe in the National Park, but I'm on the hard job tonight. Got the air fryer on, cooking up the kids' dino nuggies. I don't know, Alissa's come up with some little creation with like dino nuggies, mashed potato, broccoli, which you're meant to make it look like trees, so I don't know, trying to do a bit of a different dinner for the kids that is meant to look like a little dinosaur world, something like that. So see how it goes, see if they like it. But we're going to pack up. We're out of here tomorrow. We're off to Kingston or Rapid Bay, one of the two. They're far in between, but off that way. Well, I've done my part, burn them a little bit. You wouldn't think that's possible.
Did you burn them?
The kids maybe a little bit. The kids were sitting out here and they took off on their bikes over that way somewhere. Anyway, let's go in and see what the other half's done.
Trees.
Hey?
I'm just placing the trees strategically.
So we've got a mash. What do you call it?
Volcano. It's a volcano.
Oh.
Because when we put the gravy on top, it's going to go into the... Alright, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here it goes. Hopefully it works. Whoa! Is that cool?
Yes. Yes.
I make you a volcano and you're eating the leftover broccoli out of the bowl.
Yeah. I like it.
Love your broccoli, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Good?
That's terrible.
Cool parent moment?
Yeah, I'm not really that excited.
No, they weren't.
I think you were more excited for it.
We'll try it different next time.
Oh, it's Monday morning. We're packing up to go. I got all this salt water spray and stuff from driving up the beach over my van, so I know no one else does this, but I got a heap of water still in my tanks. And where we're going to next, we'll be able to get water up in Kingston. So I'm gonna get the old salty captain kit out and give it a wash, use up the rest of the water in the van, probably wash just the front of the truck, and yeah.
Alright, well we made it to Kingston.
Yeah, big drive, 50 kilometres.
We're staying in the RV park, $10 a night. Minimum 2 nights, so $20.
It's pretty good.
Right on the water.
Yeah, it's right on the water, but they just got like a little parking thing, so you go get your ticket.
Yeah, it's like a parking meter. You
Yeah.
just get your ticket, you pay for 2 nights or however long you want, up to 5 nights I think it was.
Yeah, and like it's probably a 400 metre walk into the main street, 100 metre walk to the beach.
No.
So-
Alright, well this is van life. You're eating the remainders of the cake. So it is just made a cake right there on the bench. And Daddy has been making a mess with all his crap. How hygienic to make a cake right next to where you're doing all that.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Is it yummy?
Very yummy.
You happy with your cake?
I'm happy with the icing.
Let's see how it turns out, hey?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're at Kingston, just packed up, about to leave. So, not the best weather yesterday, but bloody cracker day today. If you haven't been here, check it out, it's a good little town, $10 a night, little pay meter. So anyway, we'll get trucking to our next spot. So, we've left the RV park at Kingston. I just made the wife run across the road to get a photo, because we are at the
Big lobster.
Yep, Big Lobster. That's pretty cool. Now, you can't not stop and get a photo of all this. Anyway, we'll keep on trucking over near Adelaide now.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Yeah.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us in another video. Remember to check out our merch store for some awesome travel shirt designs, as well as our own Tildesley's Travelers merch. All designs are created specially by us. See you next time in the next video.